Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. It'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you are just wanting to keep track of the temperature and humidity in your household, or maybe you have a greenhouse and you're wanting to get more in-depth statistics about your space. This was sent over by a company called SwitchBot, and this is their Meter Plus. And it's basically a thermometer and hygrometer all in one. So once you open it up, it's going to come in this little box right here. Naturally, you're going to get an little instruction sheet that tells you about it. You're also going to get this little magnet thing here that you can go ahead and attach to any type of surface. Because this does have a built-in magnet on the back side, there's multiple ways to go ahead and have this set up. So if you want to put this on your fridge, or like I said, use a little metal piece, go ahead and attach it wherever you want. There is a hook on the back, so you can choose to hang this with a little nail if you want. And then there's also a hidden little kickstand, which has two sizes. So you have a more steeper size and a more angled size. So depending on your setup, whichever one you want will work. Now, as you can see, the device is quite compact. To give you an idea of the size, it's about 2.5 inches by 3 inches in height. And at the bottom part, it's about 3/4 inches thick. Obviously, it gets thicker when you open this up. Now, it has a super long battery life. It takes simply 2 AAA batteries, which are right here behind the kickstand, easy to swap out. There is a button right below the hook. That is what's going to change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So depending on whatever option you want, you can go ahead and do that. Now, you'll notice on the screen, a nice size LCD screen. You can easily see the temperature, and then right below it is the humidity life, or the humidity temp setting. And then you're gonna see up in the upper right is how much battery left. And then you're gonna have this little comfort icon, which will tell you whether it's dry, whether it's comfortable, or whether it's too wet in whatever environment you are looking at. Now, where this thing really shines is you can go ahead and utilize their app as well. And then you can unlock a bunch of different statistics and see a chart, whether you wanna chart it per day, week, month, year, etc. It's going to be able to store this information for a long time in your, on the device itself. It can store up to 68 days, and you can export that information if you wish. However, if you do have the SwitchBot Hub Mini, you can connect this to your Wi-Fi network. Then you can be able to access it via your phone network anywhere you want, because it's going through the Wi-Fi versus through the Bluetooth settings. And then you can store up information well beyond that 68-day range, which is really, really cool feature. You can also see in there a lot more specific details as far as tracking. You can see what the dew point is. You can actually see what kind of vapor is in the air as far as the humidity levels. And you can even kind of see how much moisture in there as far as what's going to promote your plant's growth versus how much mold is growing and all that kind of stuff, which is really nice feature for greenhouses in keeping track of everything. And it's very fast and very accurate. You're going to notice it's going to be updating constantly, especially in the app, and it'll show you a little line chart of what's going up and down, which is very, very nice because it gives you real-time data. Whether you are utilizing this in your home, whether you are utilizing this out in maybe the attic or in the garage or greenhouse, you're going to be fully covered with this setup. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great temperature hydrometer reader, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.